malungil silsel morgaw telmo mesringiya TMC Meang el Chais ngakangklega Olkeriil Ngirudelsang may kagidayel current events el dilub arabalwadra el altal sandel bok ngal maskara el altam mesel qotal Meang el Chais ngaringiya taswel mola el ngara olbira galulaw el mo increase sel domestic fishing zone from 20% to 50%. Tiragal el altam ngaringiya Japanese officials el tira represent el stakeholders ra tor omenge del ngara belaura el altam el tira le fly to Palau lolang seol ra Japan embassy appeal to Palauan sel girela most of el open tial expand tial domestic fishing zone leng batokol other omenge ra Siabal especially Okinawa angara era blur belau. Dirigel Japanese officials al mlarablu belau ngaringiya representatives of the Japan fishing industry ngaringiya mlaringiya lunch el hosteringiya Japanese ambassador lobang tridar adra media ma president ra belau offshore fisheries ma dirigel tirgai del representatives ra del fishing industry ra blura Siabal el mlar belau lo lengita adra media men sabil lo lang seol raise awareness el girela importance tial expansion ra domestic fishing zone ra blur belau ra kuk tirel mortirel adra Siabal ngarangiya angel representative ra Okinawa Fishermen Association el malgol wase gel dialer o mngedra Okinawa o masindel ngara era blur belau e diagal buray gel bebi ra Micronesian Islands seleng mal roida toltirak ra ay setial luldasul mola asira al borangit al Palau Marine Sanctuary milangasim ra 80% ra EEZ ra blur belau yung wadi blol made la 20% al open for domestic fishing tial luldasul mola mo expand ringi from 50% from 20 mo 50% al open while the other 50 are closed ngaringi ar patokol representatives ra sel Sasakawa Peace Foundation ngaringiya representatives special assistant of the Ministry of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries ngaringiya representative ra National Offshore Tuna Fisheries Association el mlarbelao lobengelengel al president ra representative ra Okinawa Fishermen's Association tamalagol wase ngarangiya currently Okinawan fishermen pay $10,000 will operate ra blur belau direl ngarangiya additional 10,000 that goes towards vessel day cost direl ngarangiya CLBS el policy ra blur belau will require 100% electronic monitoring systems el moraigal dilira o mga mang malgol wase with increase of cost egigrate yal basyo mga and they are mostly operating at a loss lamangi 5 years sam tolingi traveler belau wase we cannot wait any longer ngara speech ang kay del representative ra Okinawan Fishermen Association ang milagol wase we cannot wait any longer and we hope that the Palau government will expand the domestic fishing zone to save the Okinawan fishermen's livelihood. Kadam malmol mara ay sama isela al lultabra olbira kalulaw yang ngarangi sel mlapas ra Senate may elanging mura Blara House of Delegates el Senate Bill 12-16 ST2 tiang sel masanga klisiela kloba kal collecta attorneys fees direl any baril ngia mo oltutak ra kloba ge mo mage ra legitimate appointment tirel legitimate approval tir malugan confirmation tira adal matut kra rurot mo mga kangiringira kloba kal morubak al sukuma ada mo oltutak ra kloba kamal ubeng diakal dimlak logi segi del two-step process okodongal al waseng malur segi del particular el dui eng sabela الموتوتاك لما الأوبا كلوبا كامو التوتاك لرنجي yang muharawa $20,000 direk المحarawa أيجل attorney's fees ngartiagi del lodasol mola yang mobakatak luasing betol kloba ka members sa Aigel state government malubang nga Aigel council of chiefs el part tra government tra each state mandia ka bolto da public funds malubang en ngudaw tra government el kuk moharaw ra abal sukuma ngulul tutak ra kloba gemlom sisi dia lodasol mola angara Hablara madala House of Delegates el altaim metianga initiation selmlom regel Traditional Leaders Forum al ubeng Rubgul Belaus Forum. On the same line, tialmaral mil Sunday, August 13 el mo 14, en morngis el 3rd el Traditional Leaders Forum, yaigagi del issue ra kloba ka moswad el madireg el tap el issue el bolosadrengi tigi del Rubgul Belaus Forum, malung Traditional Leaders Forum, agire la tora drugs el mal na moklo el Rabulur Belau. Kada malmol mra Meang el Chais, mangarangi sel isel Mr. Sriderio, el got off the hook with the theft of $87,000. Toltirakra Chais en Mr. Sriderio amle court documents sa OI was saying he insisted material representative ra sel Palau Golf Inc. Al Kombali Malat Kamrura Golf Course ra Blura Imlige rent ra public land. Ingi amle chairman ra public land at the time amle insist that the representative issue the lease payment check el Mora Imlige State Public Land Authority el mo include Ranklel el Clarence S. Rongulbay. Ngulgiu segi del insistent seringi etrigal representative ra del PGI Palau Golf Inc. Amle issue ra check as he insisted manglo depositeringi on his personal bank account and used the payments for personal expenses including loan payments. SP Tamara Hutzler au tutakli manglarangi arraignment ringi which he pleaded not guilty eletam le make a deal etiram le make a deal within 6 months and girel pay back all the $87,000 that he got including $2,000 el fine el moragort ngara al sela stipulated agreement terti en temil le ngul SP amle overlook the part of the stipulated agreement that said he waives his right to a speedy trial. Ngara toltirak ralla arabalur belau ya adal mo tutakle plead not guilty agirel mo face a trial within 70 days per the speedy trial law of Palau. Tiagidel 6 months el Ngirudelsang away re-resell 6 months en mlamomre gaigel 70 days el lapsang right ringi for a speedy trial mangway ablolakal sabela SP elol tutak ringil mangrila igaludo del ngia riura 6 months and dirakakabol haraw dimle haraw ra 500 bail dimlakal haraw arrest but because ang mlaringi sel right ringi for a speedy trial which was not waived le stipulated agreement said that right will be waived upon the court approval of the deal and dimlakal waive ringi emla momrek sel 70 days manglodakal sabela SP el bailon dekal sabel mutel pursue the case ol tutak ringil payback kay galudo SP amle file motion to dismiss without prejudice meaning that ngaring sabel ngaringia wayal teal sabela SP mutel mo file ra OCC wal case ra real time kada malmol mara Meang el Chais mangarangiya kukungil Chais el human interest story ngarangiya angel teacher of the year el for this year school year 2025 nga Miss Renee Sherman 15 years el sensera balurayray el 4th grade homeroom teacher Kada malmol mara Meang el Chais me al month eng al week eng breastfeeding week tiang championed by the World Health Organization the first week of every month, every August, first week of every August each year. Eng ngarangi sel World Breastfeeding Week will raise awareness el girela the health benefits of breastfeeding for infants and mothers. Mlarangi sel Walk for Life event will promote raise awareness for this breastfeeding week. Mlarangi about 105 participants tiang mlarangi sira kasus Thursday evening el walk from Irangul Park to the hospital and back. On the line of the same policy, ngarangi laula obi word el al time that bans baby formula strictly the breastfeeding are allowed ra obi word unless medically required. Tirigel mothers who are capable of breastfeeding are required to do so without and not using baby formulas unless they are medically required to by their doctors. Kada malmol mra osisiwal ay sa mga ngarangi akuk isela malmol mra ngil ay sa mga Pasaya o lang asewra Palau Public Auditor's Office, Pasaya Pacific Association of Supreme Audit Institutions, Elngar Travelur Belar El Altam will provide technical assistance to the Office of the Public Auditor. Ngaringingel Mike Scott, the Program Director at Tiagid Al Alab, Emelgol was saying Ngartiang, a big part of his work, ang Artiang Lolangasera OPA, Office of Public Auditors, in conducting performance audits in response to a request from the Senate ma Olbira Kalulaw. Public Auditor Tewid expressed his appreciation for the assistance, stating that my office plays a crucial role in safeguarding the efficient and effective administration of public resources for the people and government of Palau. He is grateful for their invaluable assistance in helping them fulfill this role. Kada malmol mara Meang el Chais mangarangiya sel ungil ay sel isela dil Palau contest. The tiang is not a beauty pageant. It's basically a job interview where they are looking for a certain youth who will be a youth ambassador, a role model for the youth, and represent Palauan youth internationally, regionally, and nationally. Ngarangiya 5 al Ngirudelsang el tira ngarangiya Miss Airai Kirari et Nadalong. She is 18 years old, recent graduate of Palau High School, Mlugrora Gorangs, and she is passionate to promote youth activities and inspire unity. Ngarangiya Miss Koror Sydney Diraklay Francisco. She is a youth Olympian who has won many medals to the nation. She is passionate about mental health, sports, and mental health as well. And she aims to raise awareness, normalize open conversations about healing. Ngarangiya Miss Aurin Rig Benhart, ngangam suba information technology at Palau Community College, and is involved with many youth-focused organizations. And she says, I want to be the guiding light for my friends, my peers, and the youth of Palau. Ngarangiya Ulang Maigale Oilo, 21 years old, works for the Emergency Health Program, and she is Miss Ngirudelsang. Ngarangiya Miss Palilio Clay Nadine Andreas, graduate with a business accounting degree from Palau Community College and works at BNCC. And both of them are equally passionate about mental health. And Made'elaigel other upcoming pre-events, which include a photo shoot at Palau National Museum grounds, and the Pete session where these contestants must present a creative idea program that supports youth development in Palau. Es el final wayal date of the contest of this event, Amoringira August 21. It's different from a beauty pageant because it is not. Diakarwa evening gown, Michael traditional categories ra beauty pageant, sambay ngaringia Michael traditional wear that also focuses on cultural talent, ngaringia advocacy based questions and answer sessions for this event. Ay gida Meang el Chais no sabel malmaskaw di lub rabal wadra il altal Sunday ko malmsula lo mes oreng sanga kangklaka Olkeriil Ngirudelsang me ikang sel gukmail tialmeral mel Sunday et luktel melo laba current events di lub rabal wad. Thank you.